I can't keep you out of my head, out of my head. Got my heartbeat.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. We got an early start today because I'm stressed out and I have a lot to do and I just want to get it all done. So I got up early. I've been editing for the past hour and a half or so. This has been the setup this morning, just literally editing at my desk because I want to get this vlog up tonight. This will be the Friday, Saturday vlog, and then the one that you guys are currently watching is the Sunday vlog. I have a lot to do, like I said. Do a UPS return, do an Amazon return, shop at Amazon Fresh, go to Starbucks, donate at Goodwill, do a home goods return, edit, vlog, call my friend, post YouTube shorts, get ready for the work week. We're gonna get after it and I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm trying to decide if I should just go out now and do everything or edit some more and then go. I wanted to show you my outfit in this mirror because I think it's so cute. This is the bodysuit. Let me unzip it. Long legging and spaghetti sleeve. Little one piece from Aritzia, and then I'm wearing my new Aritzia jacket, which is just a full zip, but it's like high neck like this. I really like it. It's so cozy. I need to put real shoes on, but I think when I start running my errands, I just rough cut the weekend vlog. So then when I come back, I'll finish editing that and like add my final touches, get it uploaded to be posted tomorrow. And then I just need to get everything done because I'm stressed out and I just need to start checking off the list. So let's go. I'm just gonna put on some perfume and then we are going to grind out these errands. Just gonna grab my AirPods, sunglasses, get in the car, and freaking get this done. Okay. Look how cute if you haven't noticed these, my little customized AirPods. So cute. So first up is UPS, so I'm just gonna get an Americano to pick up. It's right next to here, and I just have this for the week so I don't have to get coffee out every single freaking day. So I'm gonna order this on the go and do the UPS return and then pick this up and then go on to the next.
Out of my chest, out of my. Hit me like a train, got a migraine. I can only think about you. I'm going insane, stuck inside my brain. This can't
just got UPS and Starbucks done. I just tried going to the Goodwill donation center and it didn't exist, or I was just extremely confused. And then I was just gonna go to Amazon Fresh, but I'm like, okay, I'm kind of near Home Goods. And right now I'm passing the farmer's market and I'm so sad because I want to go, but I don't really need anything there. Maybe I could find an actual Goodwill in the meantime, but that's what's up. I need to drive and focus. Like, sometimes I can't see with sunglasses.
This can't just be deja vu. Girl, I know it's late and I shouldn't call, but I'm wide awake counting the walls in my room. 1, 2, 3, 4. She said I don't wanna hurt you. She told me I wish you but don't let her bet I want to, baby. I can't keep.
We're on the way home. It was just 11:11. Just did Amazon Fresh. Didn't get like an insane amount. I'll show you guys when I get back. I got chicken and steak to cook tonight. I want to try both of them. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna ask the boys for help, but you guys will see how that goes. I'm really hoping it goes well. And I'm gonna do baked potatoes. I already have those at the house. And then I'm gonna do asparagus on the grill as well. Crossing my fingers that all goes well. Gonna go home, unpack all of this. Pretty sure I got everything else done. And when I go home, maybe I'll put everything away, eat something, and then go back to editing and like chilling for the day. And then cooking dinner and having like a relaxing night in. That's the plan right now, but you guys will see what ends up happening.
I can't keep you out of my head, out of my head. Got my heart beating out of my chest, out of my chest. Yeah, you got me all out of my breath, out of my breath. No, I can't keep you out of my head, out of my head. Bring that fuck, moving on, I don't want no hoes. Bitch, stay dressed, I really gotta bounce. I'ma tell you why I can't get nobody around. All I got are these fake friends and rain checks. Started talking to my guitar and it told me say less. Yeah. Stay up on a trip and now it's 7 a.m.
I got this lemon chicken to try, and I got this grass-fed sirloin steak. The reason I didn't tell you guys what I got for groceries is because they were playing video games and I didn't want to have any inappropriate commentary in the bag. Guys thought we were done in the car, but we're not. We're back. You saw I just put all the groceries away. Jake wants to go get a breakfast burrito at Wake and Late. You guys saw we went there last week or 2 weeks ago to the downtown location, but they have one in Pasadena. So we're gonna go to the Pasadena one. I brought my computer to edit in the car, so I'm gonna do that for like 20 minutes while we drive, and then Jake's gonna get his burrito, and then we'll be on our way home. And then hopefully home for the rest of the day so I could just get my life together.
I wonder if I can call in.
You could probably order online. I'll look for you. They gave you the cilantro one, which is really bomb, but they have a spicy mayo. We should have gotten you that. You probably have to ask for it, because I asked for it last time.
You did?
Mm-hmm. It's honestly really pretty over here. What do you think? Really good? Better than last time?
Look at that bite. That's insane. This burrito's insane.
Was it worth the hassle?
20-minute drive here, 20-minute drive back, about 15 minutes of waiting in line.
That sauce is insane. It tastes like the sushi roll. Yummy. It's the same green sauce.
I understand, but like I don't want to think about a sushi roll.
This sauce, it's like a cilantro crema. Okay, see you guys at home. I just grabbed the seltzer to try, the LaCroix key lime. I'm like, what is this different than lime? I've never had it. Oh, it smells like lime. It's a little sweeter. It tastes like key lime. That's nuts. I prefer regular lime, but this is like a good treat. Yum. I just came in from editing outside. I was just sitting on the back porch and it was so nice out, so I just pretty much got all of the video edited. Just have to do the intro and outro and then upload it. Started prepping dinner. I have the veggies here. I don't think the boys are gonna eat either of these, so I only did a little bit. Sorry if you hear Jake playing video games. Sliced up a couple of pieces of bread to serve on the side. And then I have the potatoes washed and in these paper towels because I'm gonna microwave them. We're gonna do baked potatoes, but like you could do it in the microwave. And if I want to keep them warm, I'll probably just throw them in the toaster oven here. And then I just did the leftover veggies in these containers, glass Tupperware. This is the scary part. I have the chicken in the fridge because that's not supposed to be at like room temp, but I need to look up directions for this. I'm just like so freaked out. I think I just let it sit room temp, salt, pepper, and we throw it on the grill. I'm gonna watch some videos, but I just wanted to update you guys. That's what I've been doing. I also meant to show you guys the fridge when I put all the groceries away, but just to update, nothing really changed in this drawer. We still have all of our eggs. This is the veggie drawer. I threw the celery in here, avocados, still have the green onion. Bagels in here because these actually just went bad. I normally don't keep these in the fridge, but Jake said they were moldy, so we're gonna keep them in the fridge. Got all my lettuces, got the heavy cream. I just put the veggies that you guys just saw right there. Chicken here, steak is out. This is the main reason I picked up the camera to show you, because I prepped some sides for the baked potatoes, sour cream, cheese, and scallions, and then some butter. And then up here I just have bread. I have the rest of the loaf you guys saw just cut up. Tried and true. If I don't have this in my fridge, something's wrong. And yes.
What's up, kid? What's up, kid?
So here's the plan. Hot tub, shower, everything shower, wash hair. Before shower, take out steak to get to room temperature.
Can we go back? Start with getting out of the hot tub.
You weren't listening?
Say it again.
Hot tub. Get steak out of the fridge to get to room temperature. Leave on counter. Shower. The shower. Wash hair. Out of shower. Skincare. Get dinner ready. Start grill. Grill. Finish the rest of the pieces of dinner. Serve. Eat dinner. Blow out hair. Make sure video uploads. Any questions? Start editing Sunday vlog. Go to the market to get snacks. Watch YouTube. Post YouTube shorts.
Kid, what are the different KJ?
Any questions? I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna crack open a poppy and get dinner started. My hair is soaking wet, but I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'll blow it out probably after dinner. Yum, I need some energy. Only thing I ate today was a couple of bites of Jake's burrito, like maybe 2 bites. We are feasting tonight. I am so excited. I'll show you the setup. So I moved everything on the table over to the side and I just have the table set. I have the steak, like it grosses me out, but like will be okay. It's sitting at room temp because that's what it said. You guys saw earlier, I have all the potatoes over here and then I just did the bread and some tin foil because I'm gonna throw that in the toaster. In here, you guys already saw, but I'm gonna take the chicken out. This is also gonna go on the grill. The veggies that I'm gonna season and these will also go on the grill. So I have a few things to do before we start the grill and then we're gonna get cooking and I feel like everything's prepared so it won't be too much. Jake has encouraged healthy decisions. Glass of Sauvignon Blanc. We're starting to grill, it's heating up. Honestly, I don't even care about the wine, I just care about drinking it from this glass. Yummy. Kind of warm. I had some ice. I just remembered that I have these jumbo cubes. I haven't used them yet, but I just started popping it out, and it's so easy to pop out. But I need to be very careful so it doesn't break the glass. I'm with the gang. Look at these ice cubes. I need like a tongue. I literally need like a tongue. Oh my god, that is so sick. Even though I barely have any wine in here. Love that for me. This will chill it. Oh my god, I love. It is smoking out here. Uh-oh. I have everything over here, and Jake started the grill. Sorry, this is like dirty because it's dirty, but whatever. It's smoking. Is that bad?
Did someone invite Wiz Khalifa over? Is this pitch getting invaded?
Ooh. No, I'm not tracking it. So we've been having grill dilemmas because we're waiting for this. My mom's gonna freak out when she sees how dirty this is. Because we're waiting for this to get hot, and it's just been a hassle.
Ready?
Chicken first, or I should do the steak first?
Chicken. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, I got you.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Use it?
Yeah.
Slip. Slippery little
Tilt
sucker.
the other one. Guys, look at the sunset. I'm literally gasping. I feel like the camera's not even picking up on how stunning it is, but it is so pink. And then the moon. But yeah, the grill has been a whole thing.
Around 400.
Woohoo! Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Looking pretty good, but like, I just don't know what's going
Should I
on.
flip the steak
Flip
again?
and the chicken. Before, so pretty. So pretty. We're so lucky. Look at this. Okay, dinner's ready. Jake, you want to text the boys? We have the baked potato bar right here. All the meat here. It was, I don't know the word, but it was definitely interesting cooking on this because the grill just wasn't getting as hot as we would like, but I think it turned out okay. Got some bread, the baked potatoes. Table's all set. I'm so excited.
Sure. The best, kid. Thanks, kid. Making it all home, kid. The best, kid. Looks great, Michaela.
I'm glad, kid.
Give me a review, Lugs, of the dinner. Chicken was great. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Steak, I'll give a 7. Wasn't terrible. Baked potato for a baked potato. Not a huge baked guy. More of a mashed guy. I'll give that an 8 as well. Overall, great dinner. I give it a B. I mean, I'm just looking towards that Smashburg night. I know it's coming up soon. It's gotta be so.
Talking to plants is one way of talking directly to spirit.
Isn't it a little early for the TSU shake at 8 o'clock?
That's what I said.
Normally after dinner. A 100 nails. Dinner was a great experience.
Oh my God,
Execution
go.
was the best it could be. It's all good. Making some tea.
Cool. Tell us about it.
Peppermint tea, my fave. Need some lip balm. Babe Original, very similar to Laneige. Really like it. They sent it to me. Please send me more.
Oh my god, it's a McDonald's discounts. Oh, we're so up. We're about to go. 3 free pints.
Wow. But are we gonna get pints?
I wasn't gonna get a
Yeah.
pint.
Well, we could save these.
I would say save them.
No one copy the code. Tell everyone where we're going.
You can tell them.
McConnell's!
McConnell's, kid.
McConnell's.
We're gonna get a pint. Everyone's gonna get an ice cream. Then we also might stop at Prince Street.
Go to Van Loo and get
Another
hot dogs.
famous spot. Prince Street, Prince Street, Prince Street, Prince Street, Prince Street, Prince
Is there a
Street,
glitch in the
Prince
system?
Street, Prince Street. And get a slice of pizza.
Lugs, you want to go to VL?
That place might be the worst we've ever been.
Lugs, you want to go to Van Leeuwen? Want to go to Van Leeuwen, Lugs? I want to get Van Leeuwen. Van Leeuwen sucks!
Guys, I'm looking at all the flavors they have. They have cookies too.
Jerry, my personal favorite is sweet cream caramel brownie.
Jake, it looks pretty busy. You might want to just go in.
Yeah.
Island Crew. McConnell's. Jake, I think I should start filming in D-Log.
I can always just order something later.
Oh my god. I know, I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I don't know what I'm getting. I'm gonna really need to think about it. And Jake's gonna walk right in front of the camera. So I got cookies and cream and strawberry. And the strawberry is really good. Tell everyone what you got. I need a
I got
napkin.
the chocolate shake.
Hate it.
Give it like a 3 out of 10. but-
Because it's dark chocolate and there's like shaved chocolate chunks in it.
yeah,
And it's
just
thin.
Not it. It's a bad milkshake, but
Logs, come to everyone yours. Since the size of Texas.
It was strawberry and coffee. Shit's butter.
He got like a triple extra large.
I got a double. Relax yourself.
And Jake already finishes and is getting a piece of pizza. This cookies and cream is insane.
Oh, I was looking that one down too.
It was good.
I don't know, I had eyes and it was looking at me for sure.
I feel like it goes well with strawberry.
I should have got a triple.
Probably could have just gotten 3 flavors with that. I'm pretty sure I've been here and gotten 4 flavors. Looks pretty
I
crazy.
think it was, wish it was a little crispier, but
You could always throw it in the toaster oven.
we'll have to indulge when we get home.
We just got back. Jerry doesn't like his shake, so he gave it to me. Honestly, if I got this myself, I would be annoyed.
What's up, KB1? What's up, KB1?
That was perfect. Jake's trying his pizza. It's not that good. It wasn't that good last time. It's too floppy.
A little too floppy, but the sauce is fucking gas.
Really? Can't wait to try it.
What do you think?
I like the fact that it's straight mozzarella cheese.
Get justice sauce. Hit him up. So you know, hop on for it.
So if you like the sauce, that means you like a sweeter tomato sauce.
Jesus, my spice looks fucking mutilated.
Why? Because I ate the crust? I just ate a corner. Are you okay with that?
It looks like a shark bit my...
You ate all the cheese off of it. That wasn't me. Take one more bite. Okay, guys, say goodnight. Happy Sunday.
Night, kids.
Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, kids.
See you in next vlog.
See you in the next vlog, kids.
Good night.